Today we're going to be installing a windshield on a cart with an enclosure.
These are the tools we'll be using today. Here are the parts included with your kit for the installation.
First, find the holes and mark their location. Next, we will perforate the sleeves. Now we'll be installing our windshield to the front uprights. It can be tricky at first to get the extrusions to wrap around the front uprights. It's easiest if you start on the corner of one and work from one end and push down until you get the whole extrusion on. Make sure you align the slot in the windshield with the hole in the upright. Now we'll be installing the hardware. Start by sliding the grommet in place. Then run your bolt through the hole and then add a washer and nut to the other side. Once you have both sets of hardware installed, be sure to tighten them down, y'all. For our last step, we will install the top clips by lining the self-tapping screws with the mark we made earlier and simply drilling it into place. Alternatively, you may have clips that have extrusions where you will install them in a similar fashion as the windshield. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for all your golf cart parts and accessories, check out DIYgolfcart.com and make sure to check out our other videos.